Today, I want to talk about how do you respond is a choice that you have. Yeah, there are so many situations that you are confronted with on a daily basis, and you have a choice of responding in one way or the other. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Also, subscribe to the channel. So, when we talk about responding, how do you respond in a situation? There's a quick story that comes to my mind. In 1912, Jim Thorpe, he was an American Indian, and right before his Olympic track and field events, his shoes were stolen. And he just got another pair from a garbage can. It was no big deal for him. He figured out, got this pair of shoes which didn't really fit him well, so he had to layer, one layer of socks above the other one, and he managed, and he won 2 Olympic gold medals. Now that brings us to a very important point. Did he really have a choice how to respond? He could have reacted in a certain way, maybe under pressure, panicking right before his event. His shoes were not there, and shoes which was such an integral part of the whole thing. But he chose to respond in yet another way. So हमारी जिंदगी में भी ऐसी बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस आते हैं जहाँ पर हम चीज़ें हमारे हिसाब से नहीं होती. We are taken aback. Things we had not desired or we had not even expected. Suddenly, right? And the smallest of the things, I think here the stakes were quite high. But अगर हम अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी की बात करें तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आती हैं जहाँ पर we just go mad, we are bewildered, we have no clue what to do. And we end up reacting in a certain way. Yeah, because we just get sucked into the whole process, and the brain shows us a threat. The moment हम खतरा देखते हैं, हम अपने habitual reaction से respond करते हैं. होता है. And that has a certain impact. क्या वैसा respond करने से चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से हो जाती हैं? Does it lessen the pain? No, it doesn't really. So whether it's your professional life, whether it's your personal life, there will always be instances, always be things which will not happen your way, because understand, there is only so much which is in your control. Your reaction, your response is all that is in your control. But what is happening outside, it'll just pop up. It'll just happen the way it is, right? How you are responding will make all the difference. And how you are responding, now hear this very carefully, आप कैसे respond करेंगे, you have that choice for sure. But how you make, what choice are you making will depend upon your context. So I think this is one area, I think I've spoken about it so many times. Your context makes all the difference, right? तो आपका संदर्भ क्या है, आप किस कहाँ से आ रहे हो, if my context is whatever it takes, I am going to do this. So maybe for Jim Thorpe, if the context was, I'm going out there to, just do my event, I'm going to have an amazing time, and whatever it takes, I'm going to put in my best effort, right? And this is just, a suggestion that I'm making, that this is an example of a context. But on similar lines, whatever was the context that he was carrying, that led him into taking the action that he took, which is no big deal, stolen, fine, let me figure out. And he got another pair, right? Whereas if the context was probably something else, then the action would have been something different. So आप अपनी लाइफ में अगर देखेंगे कि क्या क्या जो स्थितियाँ होती हैं, आप कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हो, क्या एक्शन होता है, उसके पीछे आपका कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है, बिकॉज योर कॉन्टेक्स्ट इज डिसाइसिव. सो अगर मेरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, आई एम गोइंग ऑन दिस ट्रिप, okay, and my context is I will have a blast. This is my 2-day vacation. I'm going to have the best time and nothing will come in my way. I'm going to enjoy like anything, we're going to have an amazing time together. Now if that's the context, तो बीच में चाहे गाड़ी रुक जाए, चाहे हम रास्ता भूल जाएं, चाहे suddenly you realize there's no water to drink, you will respond in a way which is in sync with your context, which is, after all, hum masti ke liye aaye hain yahan par. So let's figure out, what do we do? What more can we do? Whereas if my context is, no, everything has to be proper, I need to know itne baje tak mujhe wahan pahunchna hai kyunki itne baje pahunch ke then I have this event there, or there is there's a puppet show that happens there and we must be in time for that puppet show, and then suddenly your car breaks down and then you're like, oh god, what's going to happen, I'm going to miss my puppet show. And right, just a light example that I'm giving, but I hope you're getting my point. Your context is decisive, and basis your context, you will make the choice of how do you respond in any situation, right? So I hope you got the essence of what I'm trying to say, and look into your lives and look at the context that you have been carrying. We all have a context which is already there existing, but that may not be inspiring, may not be exciting for us to take actions which are favorable for us. So create a context. ऐसा context बनाओ जो आपको inspire करे, जो आपको ये wow feel कराए, right? And when you have that context, right, then you will steer through. Then you will respond in a manner which will be favorable, which will be desirable, which you will not regret later, and which will empower you. Yeah? So do hit the like button if you found this meaningful, purposeful, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.